Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to tell you about the brief report of Swachh Bharat mission. Okay, so let us start with the introduction part. So Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a cleanliness drive aimed to cover 4,041 statutory cities and towns all over India, right? And to clean the streets, roads, and other infrastructure in the country. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a cleanliness campaign run by the Government of India, initiated by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. It is a most important topic which our kids and students must know and be aware of this mission. See, in order to motivate others, our Honorable Prime Minister are also uh, doing the cleanliness work. Now, how the startup of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan started? Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is also known as or named as Clean India Mission for Clean India Drive for the Swachh Bharat campaign. It is a national level campaign done by the Indian government to cover all the backward statutory towns to make them clean. This campaign involves the construction of latrine to promote sanitation programs in the rural areas, cleaning streets, roads, and changing the infrastructure of the country to lead the country. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, once said that sanitation is the more important than independence during his time before the independence of India. And he was well aware of the evil and unclean situation of India. As he emphasized a lot of people in India about cleanliness and sanitation as well as its implementation in daily life. But he failed, it was not so effective because of the incomplete participation of people. Okay. Ahead, this campaign was officially launched by the Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi on 145th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi on the 2nd of October in 2014 at Rajghat in New Delhi, which is the cremation ground of Mahatma Gandhi. Now, the people nominated for Swachh Bharat campaign in that year, first 9 appointed people by the Prime Minister for this campaign: Salman Khan, Anil Ambani, Kamal Hassan, comedian Kapil Sharma, Priyanka Chopra, Baba Ramdev, Sachin Tendulkar, Shashi Tharoor, and the team of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, most famous TV serial. And Indian film actor Amir Khan was invited to the launch of the mission. Various brand ambassadors were chosen by the Prime Minister to initiate and promote the campaign of Swachh Bharat in multiple phases. And Prime Minister Mr. Sri Narendra Modi also nominated some other dignitaries like Akhilesh Yadav, Swami Rambhadracharya, Mohammad Kaif, Manoj Tiwari, Devi Prasad Dwivedi, Manoj Sharma, Kailash Kher, Raju Srivastav, Suresh Raina, etc. on 18th November 2014, and Saurav Ganguly, Kiran Bedi, Padmanabha Acharya, Sonali Mansingh, Ramoji Rao on 25th of December 2014. Now, how this is observed that we are going to see people across the nation clean the locality and place to keep their surroundings clean and green. Honorable Prime Minister requested that every Indian should take this campaign as a challenge and try his or request to make it a successful campaign ever. The chain of 9 people is like the branching of the tree. He requested ordinary people to involve in this event and upload the video or image of cleanliness over the internet via various social media websites like Facebook, Twitter, etc. And so that others can also get motivated to do the same in their area. In this way, India can be a clean country. This campaign helps the governments to solve the sanitation problem by enhancing the waste management techniques of India. This movement is wholly associated with the economic strength of the country. The birth date of Mahatma Gandhi is targeted in both the launch and the completion of the mission. The primary goals behind the launching of the Swachh Bharat mission are to make the country full of sanitation facilities as well as eliminate all the unhealthy practices of people in the daily routine, which were followed the same as it was in the past, unhealthy and unhygienic. The basic behind launching the Swachh Bharat mission is to make the country full of sanitation facilities as well as eliminate all the unhealthy practices of people in daily routine. The first cleanliness drive in India was started on 25th September 2014 and was initiated by the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi by cleaning the road. And now let us see what are the benefits of Swachh Bharat campaign. The completion of the Swachh Bharat mission would indirectly draw the attention of business investors in India, which will enhance the GDP growth and road. Tourist attention from all over the world bring a variety of sources of employment, reduce health costs, reduce the death rate, and reduces the lethal disease rate, and many more. Clean India would bring more tourists and enhance its economic condition. Now, the Prime Minister of India has requested every Indian to devote their 100 hours per year for the cleanliness in India, which is sufficient to make this country a clean country by 2019. Swachh Bharat cess is also started to get some funds for this campaign. Everyone has to pay an extra 0.5% tax, that is 50 paise per 100 rupees on all the services in India. Right? Now Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Clean India's mission should not only the responsibility of the government or ministers of India, but it is also the union responsibility of every citizen residing in the country. It is the responsibility for all of you and for me also and all the citizens of India. Achieving the goal of clean India will never be possible until or unless we collaborate and join hands together to clean our surroundings and stop others from making it dirty. A healthy country and healthy society need its citizens to be healthy and clean in every walk of life. So thank you for your patience listening. Okay, so this is the details of the Swachh Bharat mission. Okay, a brief report.